Hi everybody, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a cowboy character. So grab some paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first, we're going to start with the hat. So we're going to draw up, a lump, and stop there. Another over here and stop. Let's close that shape off with a round line. Another rounded line this way. And let's draw the brim of the hat. Like this. Perfect. Okay, there's our cowboy's hat. Next, let's draw his face and come down and back up and stop right there. We'll give our cowboy an ear and then some hair sticking out right there, some over here, maybe a sideburn, and some hair down the back too. Let's give our cowboy some eyes. Do a circle, another circle, a little nose, and then a big smile with some goofy teeth. Perfect, that looks great. Maybe just a few details around, some lines underneath the eyes, and then we'll put some pupils in right here. Let's give him some eyebrows too before we forget. Okay, next we're gonna come down with his neck and then add the collar of his shirt like this. We'll do a straight line here, around in the back, come down and connect. Okay, next we're gonna continue with the collar with the straight line back here and then down and then in a little bit and then we'll do a circle there and finish off the neck. Maybe we'll give it a little bit of a shadow too. We'll do a couple lines coming off this circle with some rectangles at the end and a circle. Then some lines coming out for his shoulders. And we'll come down for the arms, like that. Then on this side, let's finish off the arm, go down, give a cuff, and come down on this side, give a cuff, go straight across on the waist. Let's come down for his pants. Right there. We'll add some hands. Some on this side. Now, let's give him some detail on the shirt. Make it a plaid shirt. Some lines across. Some lines going down. And then we finish off the pants by putting a little line there, come down, give some boots, the heel of the boot, and then just a few details around the pants and the shirt, up to the collar, maybe his hat. Add a couple hairs coming out from underneath the hat. Just gonna add a couple more down on the pants. And there we have a cowboy character. You did a really good job following along with me today. I hope you'll come back really soon. Bye!
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!